Hi, my name is Hellen Atim, and I'm here to welcome you all to WBD, that is Wealthy by Design. In this community, you will learn so many things, e.g., digital marketing and products, e-commerce business, stock trading, crypto trading, forex trading, China importation, store setup, and etc. etc. Whether you are just beginning, yes, we understand, or you're already building online income, Wealthy by Design gives you the structure, knowledge, accountability, and community support needed to move with clarity. Inside, you will get access to practical lessons, income building strategies, community discussion, market education, business growth insight, and support from like minded people who are also committed to design a better financial future. This is for action takers, not spectators. If you are ready to learn, connect, grow, and prosper, welcome to Wealthy by Design. Wealth, income, and freedom. Let us go straight to how to list your products on eBay. Before we did a video based on setting up your account. Now it's time to list products. Let's list our first products in our new account after doing the business policy. Now, for those who are doing drop shipping, that means you don't have the products in the house. You want to sell the products from one place to another. You want to go to Amazon and list products from Amazon to eBay. But at the same time, you want to make good profit, then you have to look for other platforms that they have cheaper products. For those who are in the UK, you can use other platforms like Bargain Fox, Home Bargain, George, Asda, Sainsbury's, B&M, and so on. As a business person or a dropshipper, you are not going to be relaxing because you want to see the result. So you're going to be charging for products, and thank God that everything is going digitally. You can work with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to tell you what products is trending, what products you can list on eBay, what you cannot list on eBay, what is this, what is on the Vero list, copyright, you cannot list it, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. They are all on ChatGPT. Hi guys, when I started my e-commerce business in 2024, I didn't know anything to do with ChatGPT. I didn't know anything to do with AI. I didn't know where to go for help than cracking your brain. But now there are so many videos on YouTube. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Dollar, you can use Clothes, you can use, you name it, any sort of AI. It will tell you what products is selling, what products is the best to sell, and so on. Let's dive straight to list our products. At the moment, I'm in the UK and I'm going to go to Bargain Fox. Yes, or maybe I'll go to On Bargain. Let me go to On Bargain. I can find one product from there, right? Let's say On Bargain, discount toys. Let's see On Bargain, right? Now I'm on the On Bargain. But if you don't want to go to On Bargain yet, you can go here, then go to ChatGPT. Yes, go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT like this, if you already have an account, just go there and tell ChatGPT, hello, I am new on eBay. Please, I want to. You say, please, I want to list my first product. Products. Can you give me a winning product. Yeah, can you give me a winning product? You can just say, let me look for that. I am in the UK. I'm in the UK. You see that? I'm in the UK. Hello, hi, I'm new on eBay. Please, I want to list my first product. Can you give me a winning product? I'm in the UK. Can you give me a winning product? Winning product. Okay, let me remove the UK. Can you give me a winning product that I can get from bargain? Or you can even ask to suggest the shop for you. Look at it. It said, look, it said, yes, if you are restarting a new eBay account, your first product should ideally be low cost, 3 to 15 pounds, popular all year round, lightweight, cheap postage, brand new and sale, not restricted by eBay, easy to source repeatedly. Here are some good products from Home Bargain that are often suitable for sellers. You see, look at it. Look at all the products. This micro fiber cloth is a cleaning cloth or whatever. I have a lot of it, and yesterday I made about 15 sales. Today I made 3 sales today. Yeah, today is a bit slow, but 3 I made sales. Yeah, it's very, very important. These are like kitchen stuff, storage, and blah, blah, blah. They sell a lot, okay? So I'm going to go with that, but he has given us a lot of things. He says storage basket, pet streets, phone charging cables, laundry detergent pods. He has given us cleaning sprays, air freshener, kitchen storage containers, water bottles, car cleaning accessories. Yeah, and he said, my recommendation for your very first listing, start with micro cleaning clothes because they sell throughout the year, are inexpensive, have low return rates, are easy to package, help build positive feedback quickly. You want good feedback. Before you buy, use the eBay app and check solid sold listing, not just active, and blah, blah, blah. You have to check all that, right? Now, I'm going to pick one. Let me see. Let me see if Home Bargain have this. I'm going to copy it. We go to Home Bargain, and I'm going to put this here, and let's see if they have it. Good. Look at what they have. So they have this one, 8 pack of this. Yeah, can you see it? 8 pack, and it's £2.99. I'm gonna copy this. You have to copy it. You have to save the picture. I'm gonna save as. I'm gonna save it on the desktop. Boom. How many pictures they have? They only have one picture. I'm gonna go to my eBay. Now you want to list a product. There's 2 ways to list. You want to charge and see how much people are selling this. You want to see your competitors if they are selling it. You put the name there and you charge for it. Yeah. So you come and see how much people are selling their own. Or you see different type. Look at this one. This is 4 and it's £3 something. This is 4 as well, £3.45. This is how many? 8, 16, 24. This person have different prices. They have the one that is 24. This one is 8, 6, blah, blah, blah. People have different prices. You see, 24 pack, 4 pack, 8 pack. This is the one. Look at it. 4 pack is 9. This person is selling what? £11, 13 pence. Let's see the shipping. Is it free shipping? Is it free shipping? I want to see. Delivery varies. It said varies, meaning it didn't put whether it's going to be free delivery or it's charging. But they have put it there, £11 something. Now, do you want to use this person listing? You say sell one like this, or you want to make your own listing by yourself. But I'm going to go to say sell one like this. Okay, sell one like this. If you say sell one like this, it will come and it will now tell you, can you see what is on the screen? It says complete your listing, photos and videos. You can add up to 24 photos, yeah, and 1-minute video if you want. Buyers want to see all details and angle, okay? But I normally just use pictures. Videos can actually help you make a lot of sales if you don't know. Videos can make you make a lot of sales. People like to watch all those videos, but I normally just put pictures, but I still make sales. Okay. Now you have to look at the title. Is the title okay? Exactly what we have here. Yeah, look at the title here. This is the title that we have. Okay. And also let me copy the description. I need this description. I will need this description. Okay, let me move this. I want to move this because it's blocking my screen. It's not letting it go. So let me see if I can copy. Let me see if I can copy. Okay, I copy this. We go back to complete. Now we look at it. It's okay. Item categories: in home, furniture, DIY, household, laundry supplies, cleaning tools. Yes, it's under the cleaning. So we're gonna leave that. Variation: if you have different, like you have pink, you have yellow, you have and you want to list it separately. Yeah, but this one is in a pack, different colors, so you don't need variation for that. If you are listing a clothes that have blue, yellow, yeah, black, and all that, you can use variation. Okay, I'll show you guys on the next video how to do that. But this one is just one, like different colors in one pack. Yeah, so it said suggested item specific cloth multicolors. Yes, it's multicolor because they have different colors. Item weight, the brand, the reusable, capacity, and also for kitchen. So I would do apply all. Okay, apply all. Now look at the type. Look at the EAN. You don't need this. This one always leave it like this. Does not apply. You don't have any A. It's not your products. You are not the one. It's not yours. You understand? You're only drop shipping. Materials, microfiber. Brand, you can put the brand, but sometimes you don't have a brand, you just put unbranded. You don't want to be in problem. Colors, multicolors. For kitchen, people use it a lot in the kitchen. Yes, how many inside? 8. Capacity, more than 100 washes. Yeah, you can reuse it. Number in a pack, 8. Reusable, yes, because you can wash it. That cloth you can wash it. Country of origin: if it's from China, you put China. If it's United Kingdom, you put United Kingdom. If it's from USA, you put USA. Height item, I just put 8. This is what the person has put, so you will check if it's what you like. If you don't like, you can delete. And also, it's not a must for you to answer everything here. Is the thing you are selling, is it new or used? You say new. Yeah. Now in this place, you can actually use AI to write the description for you, product description, or you can copy the description from where you are listing the products from. Remember here, when you come on Ombargain, they have description here, and I copy it from here, and I'm gonna use it here. I'm just gonna paste it here. You understand? I'm just gonna paste it there. I can go back and also copy the futures. What is on the futures here? Yeah, efficient with fiber, blah 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 blah. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, and I'm gonna put it there. That is because I want it there. Okay, now we can move forward. How much do you want to sell this? Do you want it to be auction? No. I'm going to say buy it now. Auction is like you just want to start the price, £1. Then people have to come, I'll pay you £2. That person, I'll pay £3. The other person will come, I'll pay £5. You don't want to do auction. As a drop shipper, or you are selling your products here, you want to put fixed price. Now go back to where you're getting your products from. Now in this place, this product is $2.99, right? If you want these people, let's say customer buy, now you want a customer to receive the product, you come to buy, you put customer address, put the customer name, and let them send these products to the customer. Meaning this platform is going to charge you £3.95. Let's say four pence. So that means this product is going to be 4. Yeah, let's say 4 plus this £2.99. That's going to be 5, 6, £6.99. How much profit do you want to make? £6.9. Let's say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to put £11. Put £11. Yeah, that is £11. How many do you want to put that you're selling? We put 3. Now, it's very important. Can you see they said payment policy? Do you remember the policy we set earlier? Now you have to click the box. You see, did you see what it brought? eBay managed payment. You click it because we have already set it up. Allow offers? No. We don't want to allow offers here, because if you start to allow offers, it's like you're selling crayfish. People will start coming to you. Can I give you £1? Can I give you £2? Can I give you £3? So you turn this off unless you want to give people offer. We have turned it off. You don't need it. Schedule your listing? No. We are going to post this now. You don't want to schedule for tomorrow, tomorrow next. You can always do that if you want to schedule for another day, blah, blah, blah. Maybe you are tired and all that. Now, postage policy, let's click. You see, we have free UK delivery. Yeah, free UK delivery. You click it. Now, the parcel size, that micro fiber cloth cleaning is very small. So we're going to click this. And you know what? If you want to drop ship, yeah, if you want to drop ship, you can actually check. But I'm going to put small parcel, small after 1 kg. That thing is not even after 1 kg. I'm just going to say large letter after 1 kg because it's very small. Then I'll click done. Now, when you say that, do you know what eBay is going to tell you? You say custom postage. That means you cannot use their own simple delivery, which is okay. I like it that way. So I'm going to use custom postage. Yeah, because you're going to do dropshipping, sending that thing from home bargain and so on. Then we have to list. You can check if everything is okay. Then you can go. eBay don't mind even if you have only one pictures, but if you have more, it's better for you. Then you just scroll down and list the products for free because this is a private account. I'll do the listing for business account. This is private account. You don't pay for nothing. Business account, it will show you that when you make sales, they're gonna take 36 pence. So list it for free and let's see what is going to happen for a new account. Now they're asking me to log in. So because they're asking me to log in, I have to go to login. Let me see if I still have the account here. Where is the account? Let me see this one. Then I'll go to login. You put your password and login. Yeah, I'm gonna skip for now. I don't want to create a passkey. Skip for now. That one is like a one-time login. Now they want me to verify my place, like verify everything, you see, and they want date of birth. Do you see that? They want date of birth, okay? Date of birth is going to be 03/03/2006. That's what I'm going to put. Then continue. Now they said they want to text to confirm because they want to know if you are the owner of the account. So I'm going to wait for their message. Yeah, their message came. So the number is 887-292. So let's see. That is because it's your first listing. But if you already listing before, you will not see anything like that. Okay. So let's see. Finger crossed. Yeah. Let's see. What did they say? Yeah. Look, they say your listing is now live. Your listing is now live. So we click done. Now that we click done, let's go to my eBay and click selling. And let's see. Look, our listing is there. It's done. Let's click it. You see? It is done. £11. You can list as many up to all the way up to 300 because this account they give 300, right? So that is it, guys. That is how to list your products on eBay. I will still show you guys how to list different variations, like different colors, different sizes, and so on. But this is just a simple way. And also how you can just start listing from the scratch, that you don't have to use anybody's listing. You can just list your own. I'm still going to put the video there. Step by step, we're going to have all the videos. Once again, you are welcome to WBD. You are here to learn and you're going to learn a lot. So thank you so much and let's get wealthy.